Sometimes you need to switch or rotate cell contents for an improved display or readability. You can do this by two methods. Firstly, through the transpose function, which is a copy and paste using transpose option, or two, by a formula. I'm going to cover both here. Here's a simple list of fruit in a column. We would like that list to be in the row. Select it, right-hand mouse button, copy it, find where you want to put it, put in that cell, and paste. Transpose. We're done. Now this is a copy, so if you wanted to change the wording on one, the original, say to kiwi fruit, you'll note it doesn't change in the other one. So this is just a copy. There's another way to do it using a formula. Here's a table of sales. We want to switch it so the quarters are at the top. It's 4 columns wide by 5 rows deep. We want to change that around to 5 columns by 4 rows. In the top left hand, transpose. Open bracket, select your array, either type it in or select it, close brackets, and Control-Shift, Enter. It didn't bring along any formatting, so you might have to redo that. I'll do it again. Okay, we want to change this from rows to columns. So there are 4 columns, but 5 rows, 5 columns and 4 rows. Put in the equals, transpose, open brackets, select your array, close brackets, and Control-Shift, Enter. There you have it. Now this isn't a copy. You can actually, if you keep the original and you have a mistake, you can change it there and it will change in the new layout.